Do you want to download creatives for your dropshipping products from TikTok? First, open any browser and go to the Extensions section. Open it, and at the bottom, you'll see an option Manage Extensions. Click on it. After that, an interface will appear in front of you. Simply go to the left side where you'll see Chrome Web Store, open it. Once the interface appears, search for TikTok its video downloader and data export and press enter. The extension you're looking for will appear at the top. Open it and click Add to Chrome. Since I already have it downloaded, that's why it looks different on my end. It will be added as an extension in just a few seconds. Now, close all the tabs and search for TikTok Ads Library. Press enter. You'll see an interface. Select the country for the ads you want to see, like I've chosen the United States. Now, simply open the objective and click on Conversion. Select the last 30 days and start scrolling. Ads will begin to appear, and on the right corner of each ad, you'll see a red download icon. You can now easily download the creative without a watermark. Simply click on Download. And as you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now, let's open and check the file. As you can see, the same creative has been downloaded. For more videos related to e-commerce, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.